Hey! Pow! 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 You know when one auntie or uncle sees meet you in town with a male figure, that's what I'm gonna say, a male figure, it could be anyone, a male figure. Oh, Deborah! So you have growings. No, auntie, not growing any wings actually. Don't have any wings. I'm not an angel yet, okay? You know those people in the choir that feel the need to hold the key. You know when those people in the choir want to hold the oh narrow praise, oh narrow praise. It's not by force to try and be Alicia Keys. And just sing the song. Oh narrow praise, oh narrow praise. We praise your name and we lift you high. Come on, what's this? Oh narrow praise, like a sheep. Oh narrow praise. This one. I don't know if it's just me, but you know, it's not me when I'm outside the bus. When I'm outside the bus and then you sort of you clinch eyes with someone on the bus for like a good 5 seconds or 3 seconds. It's a weird thing. You just like you and their eyes collide like this, and then you look at them and like, and they're like, whoa, 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 whoa. That was intense. Does that happen to anyone? I don't know, maybe you're in the car or they're outside, or you're in the bus and they're outside, and your eyes just meet for like a good 3-5 seconds, and you just look at them for longer, and then you're like, whoa, 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 snap out of it. It's intense, yo. It's intense. It's quite deep actually, very deep. You know when you don't know whether to give someone a hug or a handshake, and for me personally, I don't do hugs. It takes a lot for me to voluntarily, willingly, out of the abundance of my heart, go and give someone a hug. It's very rare. It's very, very rare. It's very rare for me to give you a hug straight away like that. So yeah, that awkward moment where someone is coming in for like hug and you're like, no handshake. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do at this point. You know when you're watching like Dance Moms, or when my dad was watching like football. When I'm watching Dance Moms, like I'm so into it, like. And you're like, so I see you there, but this is funny. I recorded my dad, he was watching, I don't know what game it was, but he was watching football. You should have seen him. This guy was dribbling. Go. I'm like, Dad, you're not in the game. It doesn't matter how much they're not gonna score. You're not in the game. You're not really there. Oh, that was me, man. When Ghana was playing, I get way too into it, man. I really, when Black Stars are playing, I don't know what to talk. I still have the recording of Germany versus Ghana, and I'll find the courage to watch it again, because they really, was it like 1 minute they scored us? I can't get over it. I cannot get over it. I looked away for a second, then I think someone wanted to show the lights or something in the house, and then as we looked, Germany just scored. No, it was USA, not Germany. It was USA. USA just scored. I'm like, no way. They really came back with a vengeance. They play soccer. Oh, there are lots of USA people. Sorry. I mean, yeah, you guys are amazing. I like you guys. You know, you're walking down the street, and then people keep looking at you, and you're like, oh my goodness, something with my hair, something with my face. Like, is my fly open? But now I know that. When I'm walking down the street, I just need to know that, yes, it's because you're gorgeous, because you're beautiful, because you're fearfully and wonderfully made. So I walk with confidence now. Keep looking. Hey, keep looking. Hey, samba, samba, samba. When you're under the blankets, and you're feeling all warm and cozy, and then you realize, oh, I need to pee. I really need to pee. I really need that pee just now. I need to get up, and it's just the worst thing ever. You know when you're having like an amazing day, like just having like the best of time, and having the best of time, like yeah. And then someone actually like, why are you so happy? Why are you smiling? It's like, because Jesus is risen. He is risen. He is risen, and he lives forevermore. He is risen. He is risen. You know when people tell you you're tall? Don't tell me I'm tall. I know I'm tall. Especially people that you see on a day-to-day basis. Oh, girl, you tall. Oh, girl. Really? I see you every single day. You should, even a stranger, that's fine. Oh, cool. But people that you see on a day-to-day, oh, girl, you tall. And then alongside the whole tall thing, you're tall. You don't need to, you know, wear heels. I don't see the commandment number 10 that said thou shalt not wear heels if you're past 5'8". Do you see the commandment? No, right? No. Even one uncle said, what did he say? I think he said like God will provide or something. One day I was the patience I have. I think I was wearing heels and I was really tall, and then he's like, hey, God will provide, aka like God will find a guy who's taller or something. God will provide? Really? No, don't tell me I'm tall when you see me every single day. Oh, girl, you tall? Please, let me go. Let me be. And then don't tell me that I can't wear heels because I'm tall. I don't see the commandment. If it's not a sin, I don't care. You know when mom is on the phone with some auntie, she's like, Deba, oh, how? No, Kasa. Mom, I did not see. I wanted to talk to her. Deba, waha, take the phone. Take the phone. Hi, auntie. I'm fine. Yeah, how are you? I'm fine. Oh. Especially around Christmas time, so many people. You're like, who am I really talking to? You know your cousin, the one in Kdei. Which one? I have quite a few actually. Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine. How is school? And that's all they can even ask you. How is school? How is life? Are you really well? I hope you're working hard. You know when someone says they watch your videos, like when I went to that show event, a lot of people were like, oh my gosh, I watch your videos. I'm like, you watch my videos? My chick, you watch my videos. Hey, hey. Oh, there's one time though, this girl came up to me. I was in, no, I can't tell you who I was with because I'll be in trouble. I was in town, and this girl came up to me. It's like, oh, you're the one who does the hair. I think she saw my picture on Instagram. I'm like, yeah. And then that day, I was just not having. I don't think my hair was looking on point. And it's if you're a makeup artist, your makeup needs to be on point all the time. It just makes sense because that's kind of that's like your advertisement. And any advertisement, that's like your advertise. That's like your marketing thing. So like my hair needs to be on point all the time since I do hair. But I don't think my hair was looking on point that day, and I felt just like, oh gosh, oh my gosh, yeah. But yeah, when people see the watching videos, like, me? But did you like that? But did you comment though? But did you subscribe though? But did you though? If you didn't, then walk away, cause you're just a hater. You know when people, that's a good one. You know people say hater. The word hater has been so overused this year, last year. Kai, people say like, who are you, crowd that people are hate on you for? What are you doing? You sit behind your computer, you're just a hater. Hater of what? What am I hating, crowd? What are you doing in your life that I'm trying to aspire to that I'm hating on you? People overuse that word so much. I hated it. People, everyone, you're a hater. You're just a hater. Yeah, who's hating? I mean, hating then. It ain't now we are crying, not me hating. Yeah, feel me so called. No. You know when you start saying things to kids that people say to you like, how old are you? 5? Oh my goodness, that's a big number. That's huge. 5, whole 5. Girl, you're a winner. Winner. You know when you have someone in your mind, not in your mind, like literally trapped in your mind. Goodness, guys. When you have someone on your mind or something for like the whole day, and then you happen to bump into them. Actually, not bump. You probably not bump them, but then they happen to like text you, call you, like, hey, great minds think alike. You know when someone is calling you, and you're like, let me let it ring a few times. Like, you don't want to seem so desperate and eager to pick up the call, do you? So you let it ring like 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. You're like, you have the intention to pick up, and as you're about to pick up the cut, you're like, no, brother, uncle, call back. I didn't mean to. But you know, that's what I call playing games. Yo, pick up the phone, answer your text messages if you can. But some people that you have that kind of loyalty with, like one of my friends, hey, you know who you are. Like, she can text me in the morning like 6 a.m. and I can text her back even at night at 10 p.m. Yeah, that kind of long. But she knows that I didn't do it out of, what's that word, malice. I didn't do it like with any bad intention. I just didn't have time, or I was at uni and I was busy. And then when I text her back at 10 p.m, she replies back in like 2 seconds. You know, that's the kind of love you need to have with people. And that's the kind of person that I know, like, if she doesn't reply, and she knows if I don't reply, it's not like we're doing it out of spitefulness or anything. It's just because we just don't have the time, or we're really busy, we can't reply. But some people, they feel they need to do this thing where, oh, I never replied in 2 hours, so now you're gonna wait for 2 hours before you reply to me. Come on, man, that's not a real friendship right there. That's what I call playing games. Okay, yes, I said it. You know when you're on the bus and you're trying to make this baby laugh with all your might and all your you try to do all these next, the baby's like, what now? Is that all you can do? Where's that, bro? You know when mom's giving a testimony at church? And she kind of embellishes it because it didn't happen exactly that way. And my daughter was telling me, and that's the way. You have the truth in there, but you've kind of embellished the whole testimony story. You're making it look better than it was really, mom. You're lying in church? In church? You know when you want to take like I'm just gonna take a nap for 2 hours, wake up and study. Like this happens to me all the time. Come back from uni, have something to eat, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take a nap around like 4 o'clock, and I'm like, okay, I wake up at 7 and then do my work and stuff. And then I wake up at like midnight and I'm like, right there, cry. Then I'm out, and then I'm going to uni the next day. This happened to me the other day. I went to bed like 5, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna wake up at 7 and then do some work. And then I woke up at midnight, and then I couldn't sleep till like 4 in the morning, and I had to wake up at 6 again. Oh my goodness. You know when someone goes, oh my goodness, you're so beautiful, why don't you have a boyfriend? No, it's not me a guy, it's not why am I saying a girl's voice for. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful, why don't you have a boyfriend? Okay, so beauty sustains relationships. okay, so your abs will pray for me when I'm sick. Yeah, your six-pack will pray for me when I'm sick, and your biceps will command respect from me. Yeah, respect and love from me. Yeah, okay, and your amazing smile will call me up. Yeah, when I'm feeling sad. You know, someone asks you a question and then they don't want to listen to your. You ask me a question, I'm trying to, yeah, so it's probably, oh yeah, I know. You don't know. You ask me a question for a reason, just listen to the answer. What's the point of asking a question if you don't want to listen to the answer? Huh? You know when the pastor goes, I could go on for more, but I'm going to stop here. Oh, yes, please. I wish you could continue. I really wish you would continue. It's about time to introduce ourselves to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's rough.